Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. And this video I'm super excited about, and it only comes 4 times a year. So yes, I literally just got my Summer FabFitFun box in the mail. And as I think you've heard in my previous FabFitFun videos, I absolutely love the subscription service. Besides this and Ipsy, I don't do any other subscription services. These are my absolute favorites. As most of you are probably aware, this is a seasonal box that comes 4 times a year for every new season, and it's chock full of really full-size products for you to try out at really discounted price. You're also able to add on some special items such as add-ons, as I talked about, including customizing parts of your box as well. So I'm super excited to bust into this with you all here and do a true unboxing. And just so you know, this video is definitely not sponsored. FabFitFun has no idea who I am. I'm just a normal average working mom that is interested in beauty, fashion, and lifestyle products, and I wanted to share with you what I got in my box this season. So if you like videos on fashion, beauty, and a mommy lifestyle, please also consider checking out my other videos linked down below, and consider subscribing to my channel as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and bust into this box. So as a part of the subscription, you get the FabFitFun box every season, but with every box you're able to add on what they call add-ons. So what add-ons are is an opportunity for you to go online about a month before your box ships and check out some full-size products that they offer at really discounted prices. So if you add whatever items you want into your box, you're able to get them shipped with your FabFitFun seasonal box with no additional shipping charge. So I absolutely love add-ons, and I have a couple add-ons here that should have shipped in this box today. But let me just say, and I'm sure those of you who do FabFitFun know what I'm going to talk about, but the add-ons this season were really a mess. They advertised that the add-ons would go live on a Monday morning, so of course I blocked that into my schedule and made sure I was there really right on the dot as to when they were supposed to open, so I could pick out what I wanted, because the add-ons in past experiences were just amazing and I wanted to get first dibs at them. So there I was on my computer about to log in, and there were so many glitches. So if you add an item in, it removed some of your previous items automatically, and you just couldn't reserve products that you wanted. And it was totally frustrating, and it went on for hours, and ultimately that day the company decided to close the add-ons and then reopen them the following morning. So same thing, I went the next morning, logged in, ready to add things to my cart, and there are still issues with it. So I just got totally frustrated, and I must say, if this didn't happen to me, I probably would have a whole lot more add-ons in my box, but partly because of frustration and partly because I just wasn't able to get items anymore because they were not available once I finally was able to successfully log in. I just don't have that many add-ons. So in a sense, I suppose FabFitFun saved me money by their add-on glitches, so thank you, I guess. So nonetheless, I only have 2 add-on items in this box. So let's take a look and see if they're in here. And I think this is probably the first add-on that I added, and it's this really cool spiked water bottle you might have all seen. It's the BKR Beauty Essential that will change the way you hydrate forever. It's 500 milliliters, but what I loved about it is really the design. It's this rubberized outer part here, and it has the cool spikes on it. I love this little peachy blush color. It has a little handle, which is nice, and it's a glass water bottle, which I also liked. And I'm really trying to hydrate more and more, especially as we're heading into summer. That's super important. So it's just a little regular glass bottle here. But I just love the design of this, so I wanted to add this as one of my add-ons for this month. And then I only have 1 other add-ons because of all the glitches like I talked about. I just didn't have a chance to add on much more than that. But it's this little bundle of hair products. So this was called the Naughty Baubles Trio. And it came with 3 different items for your hair. So just these really pretty metallic hair clips. And then I believe it came with a few other clips here as well. But going into spring and summer, I'm going to be wearing my hair back like I am today a lot more often, I anticipate. So some of these really cute hair accessories I thought would be a nice addition. And look at just the really cute presentation. So just some pretty simple clips, but I wanted to try out this brand, and I really like the metallic colors as well as the packaging. So these were my second add-ons that I added, the Naughty Bobbies trio. So in addition to add-ons, you're also able to customize part of the items that are in your box, meaning that you can select between a couple of different items and you'll know what you get in your box. If you want to add extra items as well, because you just can't choose between the ones you're supposed to customize, you can do that for a slight upcharge. So oftentimes it's a $10 to $15 upcharge if you want to add an extra item. So I did add one extra customized item, and it's this jewelry piece here. So this was called the Jennifer Zuner Mika Star Necklace. And it comes in this little pouch here. And this is what it looks like. So you can go ahead and try this on here. So the dainty necklaces really are going to be perfect going into warmer months as well, because I'm going to be wearing more of the short sleeve open neckline tops. So I thought this was a fun one. So this is just a pre-layered look necklace. There are a couple of spots where you can adjust the clasp here. I'll just kind of throw it on with my other Dell & Dot necklace here to layer, but that's essentially how it looks. So just a really cute, dainty, layered necklace in my favorite gold tone. So happy about that one there. And those are the only extra products I got this season. And then we have, of course, the seasonal box in here too. So here is the beautiful summer box. I love the tropical print, the hibiscus and the palm prints, just really, really adorable. And it looks like the foundation they're supporting this season is the Global Gift Foundation, Eva Longoria Foundation. So let me go ahead and open this up. And every season, as you're probably aware, FabFitFun partners with a charitable organization as well, which is really, really cool. Look at this gorgeous packaging here. And here is the little handout or magazine about the Eva Longoria Foundation, but also tells you all about what's in your box. So it tells you about the foundation that they're working with this season, and it says that it's the Global Gift Foundation USA, and their goal is to create a positive impact in areas of poverty, health, education, social impact, improving the lives of women, children, and families in need. And they also work with the Eva Longoria Foundation as well, and providing support to girls and women around the world. Really wonderful foundations they're working with this season. And it also tells about a lot of female and women entrepreneurs as well in this edition. And of course goes over all of the fun products that are going to be in this box. So I'm just going to jump into what's in here. And it looks like there's a couple of these little coupons or gift cards. The first is for HelloFresh, which I've gotten before. As you know, I've been trying to cook a lot more for my kids. I have 4 young kids, for those of you who don't know. And these types of meal kits I think are really helpful. I've tried a few of their services with meal kits before, but haven't yet done HelloFresh, so I may actually put this one to good use. And then there's also some other handouts and flyers for things to try out as well. So let's just get into the products here. This is how it comes packaged. So I'm just going to pull out a couple of things here. So one of them here is what I customize, and this is a pair of wine glasses. But look at this packaging. It's really beautiful. These are silicone wine glasses, set of 2 by MODMOMMD. It has a nice little drawstring pouch. And it's a set of 2 silicone wine glasses. They seem like really good quality. And I just like the color. I mean, I'm a sucker for anything in this light pink color, so that's largely what drew me to this. But I think going into the summer months, hopefully I'm going to be enjoying a nice little glass of wine as it warms up here. And the silicone nature of this is really, really perfect for my lifestyle. I'm really scared to have glass around any of our little kids, so I think this is really going to work out well. I kind of wish I got a couple of sets, however, but I have 2 for now. And then the next thing here It's the Hydrating Rose Facial Spray by Grace and Stella, Spray All Day. And it looks like it's essentially a facial spray. To be honest, I can't remember if this was a customization item or not, but I do really like facial sprays. So let's see it. It's a really large size, and that's what's really nice about this subscription service is you get full-size products to try out. And oh, it's a really nice size of the facial spray here. So I can try to give it a test for you. Try to time it a little. Well, it smells really nice and it's refreshing. It smells kind of like the Mario Badescu Rose Water spray, I will say, but looking forward to using this in the summer months as it warms up. I think it'll be a nice little refresher during the day. I don't necessarily think it's a makeup setting spray, but it's just kind of a refreshing spray. And then we have this Generation Clay. It looks like it's a Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. And it looks like this. So this is something that I think will be really fun to try out. It's probably sealed, so I probably won't open this one yet just because I don't know when I'll get to using it, but a nice clay mask is always a nice one to try, and it's a brightening mask. Then next up we have what I know is a customized item. It's the Spiritual Gangster Maya Kimono. It's made of a rayon fabric and has silky front pockets and a belt, and you can wear it many different ways. It's essentially a one-size-fits-all product as well, which is perfect. And I'm really loving this kind of boho kimono type of looks these days, especially in the summer months. And the color really will transition well into the fall as well, I think. So here's the tag, Spiritual Gangster. And it looks like just a real simple kimono. There's not fringe or anything too special or spectacular. Let me see if I can try it on for you. So I just have a t-shirt on and a pair of pull-on jeans, but it's kind of a nice style. And there is this little belt here, which I think we just tie in the front probably. I think that's just kind of a fun little kimono. So I'll probably style it with just a plain white t-shirt and jeans. I think it will be a really nice look going into the summer months. But this is just an amazing product. I mean, this in and of itself I think retails for $60, which basically covers the whole price and more of this box. So that's why I just love FabFitFun, because you get really great products for really, really discounted prices. You get to try out things that I never would have tried out before. I actually haven't tried out this brand before either, so I'm looking forward to seeing how this holds up for me. And then, oh gosh, this is a surprise. I didn't know these were in here, I don't think. These are the Invisibobbles. And I don't believe this was a customized item. I didn't know this was going to be in here. This retails for $16. That's what it looks like. It's funny, I have one in my hair right now. I'm just loving these little products. We'll talk about this in my May favorites video, that I just love Invisibobbles. They're this little stretchy hair bands, as you can see here, that's kind of like a telephone wire or cord, and they're supposed to not pull your hair as much as regular elastics. And I really, really have been enjoying them. I have one in my hair right now, just pulled back in a ponytail. But they're really, really fun products that hold up very nicely in my hair. So I'm glad I got another set of these. And it's a clear and a tan color, which I think will go with all my outfits. Then next I have, yes, a makeup setting spray. So I didn't think the rose water one is a makeup setting spray, but this one is. It's the Kula Organic SPF 30 Makeup Setting Sunscreen Spray. So I was really looking forward to getting this. I love setting sprays that are combined with SPF, as this is. It's SPF 30, as you can see. So these multitasking products in the summer months are essential for me. I really want to limit my morning beauty routine, and you always need sunscreen when you walk out the door. So this is something I'm definitely going to use. I've tried other Kula products as well, which are similar and had sunscreen in them, and I really enjoy them. So this setting spray is going to be amazing, I bet. And here's the packaging. It's really beautiful aqua bottle. It's frosted and feels like it's glass even, so really nice quality. This is going to be perfect going into the summer. I'm going to let you guys know how I like a lot of these setting sprays. I have a few of them already that I've been trying out, but these are just amazing products. So another great makeup setting spray to try out. And let's see, this item here I believe was one that I could customize, and it's a makeup product. It is the Ico London I Do Black Liquid Eyeliner, and it retails for $22. And I always wear eyeliner. It's one of my favorite makeup products, and I think it really accentuates the eyeline. And this one is in black, which is my favorite color to use. I always use black on my upper lids. Sometimes in the summer months I'll go a little bit lighter with a dark brown, but in the lower lid I tend to line it with just a very often metallic or taupey color instead. But for the upper lids, I love a good black eyeliner. I do love liquid eyeliners as well. The pigmentation just seems to be all that much better. So I'm looking forward to trying this out. Here's what the packaging looks like. And then I think it's going to be just a traditional liquid eyeliner. It has a pen-like tip, as you can see. And then let me just do a quick line here and show you what it looks like. That goes on very smoothly, and look at how pigmented it is. Hopefully this works out really well. I'm going to start trying this out on my upper lids. So a great new black eyeliner with the company's Ico London. And I think I just have a couple more products here, kind of getting down to the bottom. But this is a product that I don't believe I knew about. So some products you're able to customize, some you actually aren't, and they just give it to you in your box, so a little bit of a surprise, and this is one of them. This was the Wish exfoliating foot mask. So I definitely haven't tried this particular product out, but FabFitFun definitely has partnered with Wish before. I've gotten several other Wish products in my FabFitFun boxes before, oftentimes facial masks, which I definitely enjoy. So I think this will work out well, hopefully. And I definitely need a good foot polish, especially going into sandal season. So it has pumpkin seed extract, orange fruit extract, lemon fruit extract. And again, this was a surprise product. I didn't know I was going to get this. It retails, looks like, for $32 here in the magazine. In case you're curious, I'm looking down here at the magazine that comes with it. And here's the container. So I will be definitely giving this a try and give myself home pedicures in the next month or so. And then I believe I just have one final product here. And this is one I was definitely looking forward to, and one that I could customize. And it's this Summer and Rose 100% cotton beach tote. Look at how fun this print looks. And I'm a sucker for bags. I love bags and shoes in particular. So any option to get a new bag, I'm always going to select that. So I thought this was a fun one for summer. I always like new beach totes. And this has a nice rope handle. And just an open tote. There's one little pocket on the sidewall here. But otherwise, just a really wide mouth open tote. Good for beach, throwing towels in, swimsuits. So definitely going to get use out of this one. And there is a magnetic snap closure as well, I should mention. So you can snap this shut. But it's really fun beach tote, which I'm going to be getting a lot of use out of. And I was really excited to add this as part of my customization. And this item retails for $50. So again, just amazing that you get this in your box. It's such a great deal. So that's the final item in my summer FabFitFun box. And that does it. The box is totally empty besides packaging here. So that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you've enjoyed seeing what I got in my box this month, including a couple of add-ons and one extra customized product. So not a whole lot of extra add-ons, but really maybe is a good thing that because of the glitches in the system happened, it definitely saved me a little bit of money this summer. Overall, I'm very happy with these items and I'm excited to try them out. Again, I just love how all of these items get you so excited for the season ahead. So I'm very excited for these warmer summer months. If you have any questions about these products or have any suggestions about ones I should try next time, please let me know. And also let me know what you decide to add on into your FabFitFun box for the summer. Again, if you haven't done so already, please consider checking out my other videos here on YouTube and also subscribing to my channel down below. Otherwise, I will plan to see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!